So I command you, knock 3 times on Obama to save Hillary. Twice on his wife. If that don't move the polls, Clinton Easters makes to tell him he's no JFK. Twice on a pipe means he smoked crack cocaine. I saw him in the alley, I did. He was out there with Marion Barry. Trust me, I know. I didn't. He inhaled too. Bet me. Listen now.